Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this simple logo. Let's open a new document, get rid of the fill and press the letter L for the ellipse tool or select it from the toolbar panel. Now draw a big circle. Open the stroke panel and increase the weight to 145 points. Remember this value as we will be using it later on. Make sure the Align Stroke option is set to the center. Now select the Scissors tool and make two cuts, one at the top anchor point and the other one on this side. While you are holding down the Control key, drag a box to select this part and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. Next, switch to the Ellipse tool and single-click on the artboard. Make sure that the Constrain Width and Height Proportions icon is checked and then type the same value that we used for the stroke. Now swap the fill in the stroke. Let's move this circle here. Turn on the outline mode and align the center of this circle with the top anchor point. Let's duplicate this circle and align it with this anchor point. Click away to deselect and select the stroke. Next we'll add a gradient. Here is the color group I will be using today. Open the gradient panel and apply white and black gradient. Choose Apply Gradient Along Stroke option and click on the black color stub. While you are holding down the Alt key, click on the brown color to apply it. Now select the white color stub and apply yellow. Click away to deselect. Select the top circle and change its fill to brown. Select the bottom circle and change its fill to light brown. Select the stroke, open the gradient panel and adjust the gradient if needed. Now select everything, group it together and rotate it by 45 degrees. Let's align it to the center. Open the Align panel, make sure Align to Artboard is checked, and choose Horizontal and Vertical Align Center. Finally, we will add a background. First, create a new layer, make sure it is selected, and change the fill to dark brown. Switch to the Rectangle tool, click on this intersection, and type the same values as you used for your artboard size. Now go to Layers and drag the top layer below layer 1. Thanks for watching, bye bye.